Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off haptics on the My Little Pony Coloring Budge application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and go to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen. New, just type the numbers 5541. This is the settings and info section, and you can find the third option, the haptics. If you want to turn off, click to the next white circle icon, and if it will be turned green, this function will be enabled. If you want to turn off, just click that, and if it will be gray, this disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.